Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. There is some disquiet amongst some group of unionized workers employed to Sagicor Bank and Sagicor Life. TVJ News understands that three bargaining groups represented by the Bustamante Industrial Trade Union, BITU, are yet to reach an agreement on wage increases. The BITU represents some managerial and non-managerial staff at Sagicor Bank and some clerical and administrative employees at Sagicor Life. Kevin Gale is president of the BITU.
The workers have advised that they are rejecting the single-digit offers made by the business for all bargaining groups. The workers have contended that whilst the group has offered single-digit increases, there is no segment of the business that has experienced single-digit return on investment. And the workers are further contending that that is unfair and unreasonable on the part of the employer. What would have further infuriated the workers is that the non-unionized employees have been paid and are now enjoying higher percentage increases than that which has been proposed to unionized staff.
Mr. Gale says the workers are considering further action if a more favorable deal isn't presented.
The BITU believes that the action by Sagicor Group is creating a negative employer brand experience on unionized employees, and they are feeling undervalued and demotivated due to the inadequate compensation offers made by the group. The workers in all bargaining groups have indicated that they are prepared to demonstrate their dissatisfaction in pressing their demands and warn against that they may also suggest that there's going to be some customer inconvenience.
In response, Sagicor says it continues dialogue with unions representing its Sagicor Bank and Sagicor Life team members. The financial institution indicated that negotiations have been referred to the Ministry of Labor. The company says, however, it has signed an agreement with the union representing team members from its general insurance arm Advantage General Insurance Company, Agee. Sagicor says it maintains a strong relationship with all the representative unions and the team members across the group. And of course, we'll continue tracking that story for you. Let's head to the foreign currency market now. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.46. $116.05 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $192.26, while it's costing $167.52 for the euro. The JSE index gained 3,528 points today, while the junior market index lost 20 points. The 41 winners were led by First Rock Real Estate US dollar shares, EPRI 7.5% preference shares, JMB Group 7% variable Jamaican dollar cumulative redeemable preference shares, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, and Elite Diagnostic. Among the 42 losers were JMB Group 5.75% US dollar cumulative redeemable preference shares, 138 Student Living Jamaica variable shares, Lasco Financial Services, Salada Foods, and Medical Disposables and Supplies. Now 26 stocks ended the session at the same price they started trading on Monday. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.